Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change display text size in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Suppose if you would like to increase text size for messaging and WhatsApp message or Facebook messages, so you can increase or decrease those text size. What you have to do is go to the settings in your phone first, then go to display and brightness here, and then go to font and display size, and here look at display size. It is set to second point standard text size. Okay, if you would like to increase display text size, use other point, right side point. Okay, so this is large size, this is largest. Okay, you can also use this plus symbol to increase size. Okay, if you would like to use minimum size, keep it in the first point so that minimum size will be used. Okay, so in this way you can easily change display text size in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.